Alrighty guys, welcome back to another one. This is Ballistic Products unboxing number 5. Now some of this stuff they did send me, like this hat here. I love the gold and the green camo together. That is so cool. And they actually managed to get it fit to my head. I really like that hat. For the wads, we have the BP 1680 Striker. That is the new version of the PT 1680 wad, or the VP80, I believe it's called, on other websites. I cannot wait to do some videos with these. Me and Josh will pattern them too. They sent me these BP 1220 wads. That's a good target wad in 2 3/4 inch shells. They also sent me these BP 2092 Quasar wads. I believe this was also a PT wad, the 2092. If you guys don't know, these are now made in the USA by Claybuster for Ballistic Products. Great full-length wads here. They also sent some stickers. I have one of these on the wall behind my press. And I've got one of these actually on my 10 gauge press because it just looks cool. Now these right here, that's something I bought myself. High brass purple 16 gauge shells. So on camera these aren't showing up as vibrant and colorful as they are in person. So thanks Ballistic Products for the free wads. We'll be doing a lot with these. Very happy to have them. Big thanks. I like that hat a lot. And those hauls are beautiful. If any of you guys happen to have these 2.5 inch Shadot 16 gauge shells, it's the exact same color. These are just 2 3/4 inch in high brass instead of 2.5 in low brass. So today's Friday. I believe me and Josh are going out tomorrow to sight in that barrel that Mr. Hollow Point sent us. And we'll do the slug video once we get it sighted in, the Mr. Hollow Point slugs. And we'll have the video on that up in just a few days, so you guys stay tuned for that one. Wish us luck, and we'll see you in the next one.